Hello, this is Charles Smith, and I'm a pianist and a composer, and I'm going to introduce you to a more of a music composition concept called the Hemiola. This is supposed to be a music theory tutorial, but I think it's going to be more of a composition related tutorial than music theory. So let me give you a spelling of Hemiola. And I'm going to use a different type of text because I didn't like it. So I'm going to use Times Roman. And I'm going to put it. And that's how it's spelled. Hemiola. So what is a hemiola? It's a syncopation technique used in Baroque and classical music, and some music way behind that in the Western music period, against this 3/4 meter that you see here. Basically, you're trying to clash against so-called compound meter, which is 3/4, by using elements of duple meter in an attempt to try to subdivide 3/4 into usually 3 distinct parts of duple meter. Let me tell you what I mean. Take this section so this is 2 measures featuring 3 beats times 2 or 6 beats each. I'm going to divide this measure right here. I'm going to make an easier version of this. The reason why I'm segmenting these 2 measures is I'm going to tell you what happens in a hemiola. Basically, let me give you the beats right now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Generally, 3/4 time or 3/8 time or anything that has a triple meter like this, a simple triple meter like this, 3/4, focuses all the strong beats on the 1 beat. That is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See those accents? That means I emphasize the beat, and these are accent signs, as you see here. That means I emphasize the beat that is affected. Okay, now suppose I want to make a twist on the strong beat of 1, which is this, by doing an accent on the weak beat and another accent on another weak beat. So take that 1 and accent the 3rd beat of that first measure, and accent, that's the 3rd beat, and accent the 2nd beat of the other measure, and it goes something like this. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to sing the melody with the accents in there, so you'll see what I mean. La, 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 la. Again. La, 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 la. Let me do a little change. I'm going to clap the beats. I'm going to accent the beats that are indicated. So I'll give you a little bit of another feel of the Hemiola. So it's like this. La, 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 la. Again. La, 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 la. So basically, this is the basic structure of the Hemiola. So what a composer does is emphasize the first beat of the first measure, that's in 3/4 like this. Emphasize the weak beat happening 2 beats later, not the 2, but the 3 of the first measure, and then accent the second beat of the second measure. Altogether, you get this effect of 2 plus 2 plus 2 beats. So this is an example of an introduction to what they call polyrhythms. So that's all on how a Hemiola works. So basically, a Hemiola is using 2 measures in 3/4 time and using the 3 accents on beats 1 and 3 of the first measure and beat 2 of the second measure to create the so-called 2 plus 2 plus 2 effect of 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So basically, that's how a Hemiola works, the basic structure of it. So that's it for now. So that's how a Hemiola works, and that's all for this tutorial. And get ready for more music theory and composition tutorials next time.